Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with your credit card on eBay. Whether you're new to eBay or just looking to streamline your purchasing process, using a credit card is a convenient, fast, and secure way to complete your transactions. By following these steps, you'll be ready to make your next purchase smoothly and safely. First, start by logging into your eBay account. If you don't have one yet, now is a great time to sign up. eBay offers an extensive range of items, from electronics and fashion to rare collectibles, so having an account will allow you to explore and shop easily. Once logged in, browse the site and find the item you want to purchase. You'll then have two options. Click Buy It Now if you're ready to make an immediate purchase, or select Add to Cart if you want to continue shopping and combine multiple items in a single checkout. Once your selection is ready, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll find the payment method section. Click Add a new card to input your credit card details. Take your time to enter everything correctly. Start with the name on the card, then the card number, expiration date, and finally the CVV. The CVV is a 3-digit security code on the back of most cards and helps verify your card's authenticity. If you shop on eBay frequently, you may choose to save your card information for future transactions. There's an option to do this on the checkout page, but make sure your account has a strong password to keep your information secure. Once your card details are entered and saved, click Done. Finally, review your order and click Confirm and Pay. This will complete your purchase, and you'll immediately receive an order confirmation. And that's it. Pay and helps you enjoy a smoother shopping experience. Whether it's a one-of-a-kind item or something for daily use, knowing how to complete payments efficiently ensures you can shop confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical guides. Happy shopping!